Hello all. So today we're going to discuss about the topic the psychology of successful trading and a few rules on trading psychology. With that, we're also going to have a look on how to stop your losses aligned to the psychology. All right. Before we get into the topic, if you're not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share so that you will not miss out any upcoming valuable contents. Also, I'm doing weekly analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few stock recommendations based on my own strategy. So, take a look and know if you feel that looks better, you can use for your tradings. My advice is don't follow anyone blindly. Have the charts for reference and make your own analysis and take trade. All right, so let's get into the topic. The psychology of successful trading. We have set of rules in trading psychology. So the first, the basic thing is educate yourself. Educate yourself how the market works and know how to analyze it. You don't need to be an expert in a share market, but when you take some action, know the reason behind that. So without knowing that, if you take some call, 100% not going to work for you. So educate yourself and quantify the potential loss. Don't risk everything on one trade. You know, when you lost one trade, your psychology will trigger you to take other call, no other trade. So take over tradings, and then at the end of the result, you lose all the money. Quantify your potential loss. Don't risk everything in one trade. You know, when you take a trade, fix the sell, whether it is in mind or as a trade. So don't lose all the money by taking over tradings. Psychologically, your mind says when you lost the trade, it wants you to take other trade to succeed. So unless until you know the price will go favor to you, don't take the next call. Create a trading plan. So it not need to be a journal. If you're following the journal, then that's better, good even. But just have a trading plan and trade based on your analysis and your situations. So the next one is don't deviate from your plan. So you might have decided one plan based on your analysis and you have been taking a trade, and for some reason you might be switching, you wanted to be switched to other plan, but without knowing analyzing any plan, if you switch, the trade going to be against you. So don't get deviation from your plan and maintain your focus. So this is the key factor. So when you take a trade, just focus on it. Next is be quick to change directions if that is what chart is saying. So sometimes I know what you do, I just wait. Okay, I'll let me see the price go back to my profit line or my level which I have targeted, but that's not going to work at all. So when the chart signals you the direction is changed, please fix to that and sail to the direction of market. When you feel a doubt that this trade going to work or not, or whether I can do this or not, then please stay away. Take a look after some hours. That will be the safest way to handle the situations. So it's all about psychology. You know, there are many trading systems. However, the most important trading system is you. So don't search for outside. So if you build your own strategy, then you don't need to search for the trading system outside. So you are the source of your own strategy. Keep your psychology in your control. Take a trade, be succeed. Okay, let's recall the points what we discussed. You must have a trading mantra, that is you need to educate yourself. Have a strong self-confidence. This is the main area. You need to be more confident. If you lose the confidence, you obviously your psychology will get disturbed and you take wrong decisions. And be patient. Patience is the key to succeed, you know, and independence. So don't rely on others for your tradings. Have a clear risk management strategy which will save you, get out of you from the share market. So risk management is the key factor one to sustain in the market for longer run. All right, let's see what's next. We have seen the brief about the psychology and stop your losses. How to stop your losses? Do not pay attention to other ideas and beliefs. Don't pay attention to other ideas. and beliefs. Their way of analysis is different, and their way of handling their calls will be different, because the person who recommend you will be in different situations. He can able to take a calls based on his analysis, but that not guarantee that it will work for you. And do not disregard and ignore the trading rules and law. So never break the rules and laws which you follow. So in a longer run, you will see as a successful trader. Do not trade without strategic base. So you should have some strategy when you take a calls. Don't let greed controls you. This is the main things, when you set a level, fix your mind that I need this much profit for this day, and if this reach, I'll exit from the trade. So fix the level of profit, or trail the profit, so that you will not miss out the profits. What people will grow their losses and cut their profit. So don't get FOMO. Do not base your trades on strategies that you change every day. Therefore, only follow one strategy. So if you look for many strategies, you can't implement all the strategies. So try to fit to one strategies which works you, and be successful in a trading market. Thank you.